Hi, here's Annette. I am now at the southwestern coast of France at the Atlantic Ocean. And as you can see, it is a beautiful landscape. And always at the sea, it is very easy to connect with yourself again. This means to connect with the whole being and what it means to be alive. For this, we just have to open ourselves, to open our perception, and let the beautiful awareness of the sea enter into our being. We stand at the beach, we watch, and we are open. We are open to everything that enters our conscious field. And just by doing so, we become more and more aware of the amazing being that we are. We step out of our little thoughts and we enter in being alive. And the nature is our best teacher. To understand what life is really about. When we are in nature, we understand the beauty of life, the joy of life, and the vitality of life. See the way the sun reflects on the sea. All this happens by itself, by the life force that is everywhere, the life force that is in nature, and the life force that helps you to be alive, to breathe. All the processes that go on unconsciously. And when we become aware of this, we also become aware of the magnificent beauty that lies in being alive. I invite you to get consciously about what's going on. What's going on the magnificent journey called life. Enjoy it. I wish you all the best from my heart.